Yes, finally the Model 3 heat shields from Evannex has arrived. Oh yes, I've been using these heat shields for Model X before, but now I ordered the full set for Model 3 because you know these Evannex heat shields, they are tailored for each car. And well, I tried the Model X heat shields, but you know it doesn't fit really. But this one will fit. Look here, this is for the front windscreen. It also has a cutout for well, the cameras in front, and also you have the heat reflector part on the outside here. So this is actually designed to work in warm climate, but I use it also in in cold climate because it adds a little layer of insulation. So that was for the front windscreen, and see we have full set here for the back. Okay, there's some instructions here. So they show you what you have to do, but I know where to place them. Well, I can figure out pretty quickly. This is probably the front windscreen. Yeah, and it comes in a set here like this, and it has suction cups. And now I tried these suction cups in the Model X, and they really suck. So you see, it's getting hard, and on the Model X, the windscreen there, it works about 50% of the time. So I heard tip from Evannex that you can use a dryer, a hair dryer, to like heat up this thing, and then it will help. I tried it; it partly helps. So, but we'll try to fit them anyway. Let me just show you that there's several parts, lots of parts. So what I will do now is install them, and then we see how it works. So most of them has suction cup, but actually the front windscreen doesn't have suction cup. So what you have to do is just push it in place, and then use the sun visors to keep it in place. Let me see. So you do it like this, and then use a sun visor, and then it stays there. Yeah. So this is the easiest one. Let's try the other ones. Well, and the rear window, I will show you. This piece fits there. So let me just push it in. Wait a minute. What will it fit? It seems a bit too large, but it should fit there. Because this one doesn't fit in the rear, or does it? No, it has a different shape. So you can figure out pretty quickly that this one will fit here. So let me try to fit it. Okay. Let me. So you just have to get used to this the first time, and then after that one, it's easy. So let me show you. Ooh. This is pretty neat. So they made it slightly larger. Or actually, you see, you actually don't need those suction cups. You can just squeeze it in here like this. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's try fit in the rest here. See, this one, a little bit of the light goes through here. I try to twist it like this, so there will always be a little bit of gaps here and there, but good enough for you know, keeping most of the sunlight out, so you don't harm the interior, or when you want to sleep, or if you have dogs in here even. Well, yeah, I mean, I guess if you have dogs in here, you might as well use dog mode, because dog mode will disable the alarm, the sensors inside. Yeah. Whereas if you keep climate on, then the dog might trigger the proximity sensor here and cause the alarm to go off. Okay, maybe mount in the rest and see how it goes. Okay, yeah, so for the back it's like this, just like in the Model X. You know, you have this small triangle window here. So, well, I guess it's this other one, because you want the, so it'll be something like this. You just mount it in there. There you go. Just push it in, and then that covers the rear side. I could almost have it there permanently, but I think I want to. It might block some of the vision when I'm driving. So, but again, for self-driving it doesn't matter, because the cameras are outside. Yeah. So let's mount in these then. Okay, now you see from the inside how you do it. Just just push it in here, and fortunately it has perfect fit, so you don't even have to care too much about the suction cups working. It will just stay in place. So you see, this is pretty self-explanatory. You don't need to use the manual much. So if it doesn't fit, then it means that you got the wrong side. As you see here, it seems like it's too big, but you just have to squeeze it in there. Yes, that's what Uncle Bjørn said. Just squeeze the big black thing in there. Hell. Wow, this time they really made it tight. It seems to be tighter than the Model S and X versions. So actually I wonder how the heck, well, I can't even get this to stay properly. So okay, you can just wedge it in like this then. Alright, and this one goes over my head. This is really useful if you are in sunny California and you just want to block out. Wait, is this the wrong way? It seems to, I'm not sure. No, actually I think this is the right way, or it seems to be, maybe I have to do it this one. It's not totally squared, you know. Or wait, you kind of have to see the edges. Yeah, I think it does. Or maybe there's so many pieces there, it's like a big puzzle. But I think this one relies on the, yeah, it seems like this one will rely on all these suction cups, which you see it doesn't work very well. So this is also a good or a bad review of the freaking suction cups. So you see, they don't stay very well. Again, they kind of stay. Sometimes, you know, when I put this in the Model X, it stays. Then I almost go to sleep, and then one of them pops open. Ah, shit. But I have a trick to solve that. And the trick is that I use these cards. Let me see, should we use the Vista card, IKEA family? That one is always popular. But how about an expired NAF membership card? Yes, let's use this one. Okay, so you see here, the suction cups, they suck. Okay, so, but it doesn't matter. Just use this and then you squeeze it in there. Yes, like a boss. Okay, so you get the idea. This is the trick. Just squeeze it in there. IKEA family goes in there. This one, the ferry card. Okay, ferry card has been bent. It was heated up once, so I can just do it like this. And you see, you don't ruin the interior by doing this. And then the last one goes up there like this. Wait, yeah, there's a little gap there. So there, see, now it stays in place. So let's go outside and get a better look. Yeah. Ooh, I kind of like that one. Yeah. I think we will appreciate this during our Easter trip to Netherlands and Belgium, because the sun was a little bit too strong. Of course, you can tint the windows. I heard some people do that. They tint the windows, but again, there is so much antennas and stuff, electronics in the back here. So some people, when they tinted the back windows, they've been getting problems receiving radio after that one. So I'm not convinced that I should tint the windows to get it darker. But at least I can use this one as temporary heat shields. So let me see, we have two more pieces. We have this piece and this really big piece there. So it seems like they split the back window here in two, because you have that one kind of. Well, this one is in one piece, but they split it in two, so I have to figure out how they fit. Alright, I kind of got them in there, so now you have to identify these pieces. Some of them are similar, but the front piece here has rounded edges, but the back piece here has a round edge there, but more of a sharp edge on that side. And then it seems like they're designed to overlap each other a little bit, these two back pieces here. So you see, I also had to squeeze in the Vista card there just to make it stay there. So I see I need to apply for more RFIDs and cards just to get everything in place here. But I have to say, just like in the Model X, these perfect fit heat shields, they work great. They block out almost all of the sunlight outside. See here, it's like this. So if you just want your dog in here, or you want to sleep in the back here, then this helps greatly, because it blocks and it where it reflects the heat, and in the winter it also adds as one extra layer of insulation. Okay, just giving you more angles from here. And see the top there, and then the back. Oops, I accidentally bumped into the button there. Okay, and then the back looks like this. Yeah, and then let's show you what it looks like from outside. So, okay, I didn't block these windows, but from front it looks like this. Yeah, you have this yellow color. There's also a silver and white on the inside, but I prefer this one because I want the black one. Actually, I want the black, a black matte, but they don't have it. So that's why I chose the I chose the golden one. So it looks kind of funky, yeah. But I think silver might look better, at least on the outside. But then the silver is too white on the inside, and I want to have that blackness inside to absorb most of the light. Otherwise, it would be a little bit too reflective in here. And actually, in my car, which has a black interior, the black goes well in black here. So yes, there you have it, the heat shield for Tesla Model 3. I'll be using it a lot. I will actually, most of the time, I will just carry it with me in the car always. So you know, for sleeping, I've been sleeping in the Tesla Model X a lot. I also carry that one with me. But when it comes to which pieces I should put in, I might use some other combination, because, for example, the top one there, Tesla has a mesh grill. It's kind of expensive also, but at least the mesh grill plus some bubble wrap will add me that extra insulation for winters. I might have that one just like I have in Optimus Prime. You can check the video in the description below if I remember to put it there. Or you can just try to search for it. What else? Yeah, and also the back window here. I might also put something here permanently, but we'll see. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the result. I'm not too happy with the suction cups. They should be softer or something better, but I found workarounds for it, just like in the Model X. So yeah, anyway, I think that'll be it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.